Hey, this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I want to show you what I am making for my bathroom. So I got tired of using the circular towel holder because my kids drop the towels off that all the time. I found ways to clip around it, but it just overall I just don't like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some hooks so we can hook on our towels that have a little loop. So what I did is I started with a piece of scrap wood that I had actually already painted. This is left over from my ceilings in my barn. This is about 19.5 inches, and this is a 1x3. You want to make sure you get your 7 white hooks. I'll link to the ones that I have. And you want to set them up so they're equal. So I decided to go about 2 inches from either side. And I'm just going to screw these in here. I'm going to screw in this one. And then I'm going to screw on the one on the other side. Again, 2 inches from the edge. Okay, so what you're doing is, you know you have 5 more to place. So you measure the distance between the 2 outside ones, but you're not dividing by 5, which is the number of things you have remaining. You're dividing by the number of spaces you have remaining. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. To screw these in, I usually just press them into the spot I want them and then just start screwing. They work pretty well like that. This wood's kind of soft to work with, I think, but so I just kind of push in and then start screwing. I have to measure first, but so pressing this is going to be a little difficult because this is obviously a large heat press. I don't have a mini. I do have a mini clover, which I might pull out if this doesn't work very well. We're just going to try doing this here. Just going to like see if I can preheat the area a little bit and see if I can get it warm. So you have all my letters here. I got Tuesday. Because it's a little warm, they kind of stick. Well, and it's kind of sticky too. That's the other reason they stick, but Thursday. The last time I did this, when it was ready, it came up very easily and didn't pull it off. So I'm just going to wait for that. So I'm just going to go ahead and press all of these, and then I will try to take them up at that point. Okay, so we're just going to do this here. I think this will work a little bit better and come off easier there. See, that came off a little bit better. I messed up my M, but we're going to just keep going here and try to get at least most of them done. So I'm just going to go press this. Try to put a little bit of pressure on there, but don't break your press. This is why the mini press is kind of nice, because it's got like a handle you can't exactly break. Okay, there's that one. I do recommend putting the cloth in between though, just FYI. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's all finished. I hope this was helpful. I have the kids, each one has a chore twice a week to take that towel from the day, wipe down the countertop, and put it in the laundry bin to get put away. So it's been working pretty well for us. I like this, and I hope this is helpful. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Take care. Make sure to follow my YouTube channel and visit my blog, DIYDanielle.com. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.